Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we're gonna keep going with matrices. And today we're gonna learn some inverse matrix and solve the simultaneous equation. Use the matrix. Okay. First thing first, we need to know what is the simultaneous equation. Sorry, find the inverse of the matrix first. So how we gonna find the inverse matrix? So if you say a to the power of a -1, the -1 that means inverse. And if you multiply by a region matrix times an inverse matrix, that equal to identity matrix, which is like a square something, and 1, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's kind of like an identity matrix. So how we find the inverse matrix using the CAS calculator? So there's three steps, actually four steps. So you're gonna enter your A as your calculator, which is your matrix, and then type the A to the power of -1 and evaluate, and then you will able to find your um, the inverse function. And also you can double check with A times A to the power of -1. You still can find that's identity matrix. Yep. And also I want you guys to know how important the determinant of a matrix. Once you find the determinant of the matrix, you're able to find the inverse. So please write down the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix, this one. If you say A, because we're gonna use it by hand, okay? So by the way, first thing, if A equal to A, B, C, D, so that's the different numbers, and then determinant of A is given by that A, B, C, D equal to A times D, A times D minus B times C. Okay, so please write this one in your reference book. Start again. If you want to find the determinant of A, it's given by that A equal to A times D minus B times C. So from left to right and then right to left, okay, and then minus each other. Let's try with these questions, okay? So A determined, so we say that A is equal to 5 times 6 minus 2 times 3. That equal to 30 minus 6 equal to 24. And B equal to minus 3 times minus 2 minus 7 times 2. So that's 6 minus 14 equal to minus 8. So that determinant can be negative, okay? So hopefully that makes sense for you guys. All right, so we'll find the inverse 2 by 2 matrix. So I want you guys, if you say that A is equal to ABCD, and I want to find the inverse by hand, so we need to use the determinant 1 over the determinant times A and D opposite and negative B and C. Okay? Start again. A and D determinant is inverse, so opposite, and the negative B and C. Okay. And also your determinant cannot equal to 0 because fraction on the bottom in the fraction on the bottom fraction you cannot have the 0. That's the main thing. So if I had 5, 2, 3, 6, we need to find A times D minus B times C. So that's 5 times 6 equal to 30. 30 minus 6, 24. So 1 over 24 and multiply by 6 and 5 opposite, and minus 2 and 3. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And now we're gonna keep going with some questions, examples. Let's try with some like simultaneous equation. All right. So once you had that, so we can say 8x plus 2y equal to 46, 5x minus 3y equal to 19. First thing first, write 8x plus 2y and 5x minus 3y equal to 46 and 19. 46 and 19. And then we could transfer to 8 to 5 negative 3 and x and y equal to 46 and 19. Yep. And once you find that, and we could just leave that one as the simultaneous matrix, because it say as the matrix. So because 8x plus 2y and 5x minus 3y that equal to 19. Like that. Yeah. And if you want to know how to solve by CAS calculator, we could. So if I had the same question, not same question, but like similar question with the simultaneous equation, first step, we can represent the matrix in question. So we could do 5x plus 2y and 7x plus 3y equal to 21 and 29. And left hand side of the matrix is step 1 can be written as 5, 7, 2, 3, and x1 and 21 and 29. And then name the matrix X is your solution for the X and Y. And then enter the matrix A and C, so which is, we can say 5, 2, 7, 3, and is A, so which is 5, 2, 3. And then 21 and 29 is C. So that's how that works. So we want to find the value of the matrix X. So we can say X equal to inverse, because remember before was A, X equal to C, but X equal to A minus 1, C, because both are divided by A, right? So that become to A to the power negative 1. And because we have that, so we have both sides can be identity matrix and both sides can divide by negative 1. Then that's how you transfer to the X equal to A to the power negative 1 times A times C. Enter the production of the A to the power negative 1. So how are we going to do it? So we could just substitution into the A to the power negative 1 and times C. And they give you the answer straight away. So then you can find your simultaneous equation solutions. Yep. Well, I will show you during the class and give you guys more ideas how we're gonna do these kind of questions. And that's it. That's for today. I want you guys to take a time and write some questions up, and then let me know if you have any questions, please. And I will see you guys next time.